And
Wow.
here it is. We are now at Tek Cave
Yes, we are.
with 35 odd Theris. I don't know. There's a lot of Theris. I can't technically say this is a pure Theri army because we've got Dimorphodons and a UD, but for the most part it's just Theris. There should be a couple of these Dimorphs here that are... Oh no, that's still set to low.
There should be right, some low, some far.
Okay, that's it. We done. We good.
Cool.
Oh, well, here's hoping this works. This is what everything sort of led up to.
Alrighty.
Alright.
Are you recording?
Sure am.
Let's play.
Game on. Alright, brought those down into there. Get this one over to here. Someone's otter is on the ground.
That's mine. I threw it by accident.
I actually can't stand the music, eh? Have you got the Theri follow settings set to low?
Pardon?
Have you got the Theri set following to a low distance?
No. There should be at medium.
No worries, I'm going to bring these down a bit further. Oh, creatures already. Wow, that's not terrifying at all.
It's gonna take a while to get the creatures.
I'm still just bringing the creatures down. Have I still got Dimorphs? Yes, I do.
These other ones that move in a bit further.
Yeah, I'm going to move them in.
Ah, okay.
Oh, why is that so scary?
What?
I don't know. I'm more scared looking at those UD. I think there's a UD and something else down there. And I'm more scared of that right now than, well, practically anything else that I've come across. So these Theris need to be set to low. They don't get stuck on each other. They only get stuck on the person riding. So if they're following you, the ones following you need to be set to medium. They don't get stuck on each other.
Oh, wow, okay. We are so close.
Are you guys still bringing in the Theris?
Yeah, there's one more batch after the ones that are outside here.
Just take them a bit further in, Tom, if you can.
Yeah.
I'm bringing in their follow distance. They should start slowly sort of bringing themselves in. If I can get it, there we go. Wait, did that work? No, I didn't.
We have got a traffic jam at the front here.
At the front or at the back?
At the back. We've got 2 minutes left.
Ouch.
Oh, this one wants to run. Why is he wanting to run?
Because he's following something he shouldn't be. You, follow this one. Alright, you, forward. You, forward. Ah, come on, come on, come on. You, forward. Come here. The ones that you've got had as the main train fault. Oh, come on.
What happened?
You, follow. Okay, that you should have more room now. Get this Yudi moving up the front. Yeah. Oh no. What? Why? What the hell are you trying to... Oh, I know what you're following. We got 30 seconds left.
Yeah, I know. I'm trying to maneuver things so that we can get in.
Okay.
Make sure you're inside. Risk. Okay, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. That should be all the Theris in.
So do we just pick a theory?
Sort of, yes and no. You gotta pick a theory that's at the front. And now we've got 55 minutes to make our way down.
Yep.
Okay, we're gonna leave this to you time to sort out that
Mess.
train.
Yep. It's all good.
Remember, the ones that are following your Yudi, medium, everything else, low.
Okay. So as long as you guys have got yourself...
Well, where did my A4M go? Like this? Anything follow A4M? Shouldn't be. No, good. Alright, Frisky, you and I need to be on separate gender theories.
Currently on a...
Hop on the... oh no, I've got a male here. I've got a male. Okay, so that theory that you're on is female. That's a female. Where's your last male that I just saw? It's way back here. Anything following F7? No.
Do I need to get F7 to follow the one I'm on?
Yes. I've got F7 now.
Do I need to whistle anything?
Just a second time.
Yeah.
Alright. Now where's my female? I think that worked. Yes, it did. And I think it's already on medium, which is what I want. I don't want it to be on anything else. Add creature to group, because I'm going to make this one here part of that. 3, so I get direct control of that one. To put it in perspective, this Tyrannus is level 620, boasting 16k health.
Shit. Let's get Theris.
No, it shouldn't work on Theris.
Should I get F7 to follow me?
What just happened to my game? Oh, fuck.
F7's not following anything. Get it follow me.
Yeah, get F7 to follow you.
You've got a thing back here trying to follow you, Frisky.
Press Y on a time.
Why?
Press Y on it.
Yeah, beautiful. Done. Done. All good.
Okay, you ready, Frisky?
Sure, let's go for it.
You've got two, you've got two things following you somehow. Did you hop on F7 and make it follow that?
No. I just picked F7, something must have else been following F7.
Alright, just be careful around the edge. And you're the ones that are following you aren't on neutral. We're gonna leave this one back here for you time. It's A3F.
Yep.
Do you want me to dump all these saddles or keep them?
Dump all these saddles.
Heaps of apprentice saddles on this UD. On this theory.
Oh, that was supposed to be put back on the bird. Yeah, dump them. Oh, I didn't make the grenades.
Oh, whoops.
Oh, I've only got 4 on my dimorphs. Oh, whatever. A lot less creatures than I was expecting.
Only just started.
Based on other playthroughs that I've seen, it's usually been a lot busier than this. What is that? Oh, it's a bunch of aloes. They're in the wall.
Fuck it.
Careful of the lobies. If they get a clear shot of you, they will dismount you. Damage.
Big ship down to
Careful of the microraptors.
So our little dimorphs are just on passive protection, aren't they?
Dimorphs are what? Passive? Nah, another one. Neutral.
No, yeah, so I'm saying like you can put them on neutral before you.
Oh yeah, I'm not taking him off neutral. No way. Okay, I don't know what those aloes are doing. I'm hoping they won't cause an issue later on. Are you alright, time?
Yep, I'm just about to stop this train moving. So as long as you guys can clear a path.
Aloes are bigger than Theris? Have you got your guys, the one following you set to neutral?
So
Say me.
No, I'm talking to Frisky. He hasn't got his guy set to neutral. Alright, well, unfortunately now we've got to find a way to get out of here. Are you able to get out of that? Are you stuck there, Frisky? Come on, get out of it. Oh, hell.
Oh shit, I'm stuck.
Like, in danger stuck or just annoyed?
No, lag stuck.
Get off and punch one of them.
Yeah, that's what I've done.
Alright, you have to get your guy to follow you again, Frisky. Oh! Oh, sweet motherfucking god, are you serious? Oh, what a no way! No way!
What?
Oh, not only is it a frigging Giga, it's a Tek Giga. And I don't want to risk accidentally pissing off everything in front of it.
Can we aggro a little bit in front and trying to get...
Yeah, I'm gonna try and lure that off the cliff by making it run towards me.
Okay, so if I sit up here a bit further, then you try to lure everything into the lava. Actually, what's up here further? You know what those aloes are stuck in the wall? Can you lure them back this way?
What? No, don't do that.
How you go on time?
Alrighty. This train is on the move. Choo choo, motherfuckers!
No, don't go too far.
You talking to me?
Nah, Frisky.
So we've got 45 minutes to get through this now.
I don't think we're that far away, to be honest.
Have you hit the cold zone yet?
What? No, hell no. The cold zone's the end.
Yeah, you've got to go through the cold zone to that. You've got to go through that to hit the area you need to be at. Hi, wifey. Look at my Therisina strength. This is insane. Like, absolutely.
Let them come to us.
Yeah, old man's doing his own thing. Come on, boy.
They're all just like, but Dad.
Time off, what are you doing?
How are you? Are you going, Dad?
These time offs are helping a bit, eh?
They're a good distraction.
There's that.
How long they'll last.
Okay.
Those
No, I'm nervous as
dillos.
fuck.
Oh, God, okay.
Yeah, this is Tek Cave. This is terrifying.
I've never done it, so
And I've got to stay back here because they're fighting stuff up there.
What's wrong?
Oh, that was me. Sorry.
Just say that you can probably come down a tad, but I wouldn't bring everything else down just yet. Just in case.
There's a whole bunch of stuff stuck up there.
Yeah, I know. I'm going back now.
Careful of the aloes that are in the wall.
Yeah, I'm trying to be.
Oh, this is dodgy as hell.
What about the theory that's real high?
Oh, this is exceptionally dodgy. I'm gonna die here.
And something silly.
What is?
I said, are you doing something silly? Oh yeah, you are. You're trying to aggro it into the lava. Did you do it?
I've got no idea.
At the moment. He's hitting something.
Kill, 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 kill.
Oh, fuck.
Okay. Right, well of course it had to take the biggest path possible to get around that corner. It couldn't just go straight ahead.
Like Donald's.
So where's the extra set of armor?
In the Uteranasia.
Okay, I'm gonna need that.
Smacked in
Yeah.
That hurt. And do I need another shotty? No, I'm okay. I'll leave that there. You never know. Alright, let's have a look at this train. That is beautiful. That is a work of art. That is going to be my thumbnail as soon as I know how to make them.
Oh.
That is
Yep.
a masterpiece.
That's fine.
Alright, we've got 40 minutes. One
Yeah,
gig it
and
down.
I've got Lovia's back here trying to take me out.
What?
Yep.
No.
Jump on something.
Jump on anything.
thank you.
Double check your armor, get some med brews going.
Wait, my boy's stuck in your train.
Yeah, I'm okay.
Give him a good old whip.
I'm okay. Pardon?
Don't. What are you doing, Frisky? Time, stop for a second.
Yeah, I'm stopping from here. I just needed to give space so that Frisky's dude could get through.
Cheers, thank you.
How sexy is that freaking train though? Oh my god.
It is VV nice. Okay, I don't know what to do because our dimorphs are all gone.
Smells like bitch.
That's because you're here, mate.
Yeah, no, it follows me everywhere I go.
Hey man, how we doing?
You guys have been on fucking ARK for 8 hours and 6 hours. What the fuck?
There we go. We're doing Tek Cave.
What map's this?
Island.
Terrified.
Oh, that's Polovia. Of course it is. Why wouldn't it be Polovia? And if I die here, well, you know, yippee.
Is this on Axel server?
Yep.
Yeah. I don't remember where to go.
We have to go down, don't we? Somehow.
Well, thankfully that's just a wreck, so I don't care so much about that. I'm just glad that Polovia don't they don't aggro on just a second time. I think we have to go down here. I think.
No.
No? I'm so confused.
Oh, frickin' Palovias!
Jump on something.
I can't. I'm stunned for the next 4 seconds. 3, 2, 1.
Wait, hold on. How did they get you off the Yeti?
They didn't.
He hopped off.
I've got the Yeti following me, so that's. I mean, I've got the everything following the Yeti. So I'm just trying to. I was trying to see something. Give me a second while I steal this.
Thank you. Have you got the radar on?
I do now.
Because that would have told you about the
Polovia.
careful about getting off that
Tom.
Sorry. Alright, so we should have to go down there, I believe. Because that down there should be the start of the.
That's not the start of the cold area.
But we should direction and just go for it at the moment.
Yeah, in this case.
I think that map goes all the way, like that just swings around up there.
Okay, so both of them go both directions. So time, what you're going to do with your posse is you're going to go straight over this cliff as soon as we are done with killing everything in here.
Yeah, I see the logos and stuff there. What's a Rex?
Nah, Rex is nothing.
Maybe down here too.
Yeah, but as long as he's not off the mount, he's fine. So you're going to slowly just make your way over the top edge of that cliff. Because you're just popping down there, it means you don't have to do that awkward as shit turn.
Yep.
Alright.
37 minutes.
I swear to God, Theris, if you run off the edge.
Yeah, mine.
Both of us. Alright, we're probably going to encounter another gear. Oh, I'm getting a little bit weighed down.
Oh, don't go off the edge, Theris.
Be nice and slow with it. Oh,
Ooh,
bro, stop. Press J on them. Press U. They're all. Oh, we're about to lose our army. Yeah, we're losing them.
How many?
All of them. We're losing all of them.
Frickin', what the hell? Where the hell did they go? How did they end up down there?
Because you went too far and they jumped off on one side and one went over the top of the other, so it tried to correct itself and
Oh, wow.
we just lost half our army.
Oh, might do. Thanks for the video.
Wow. If we survive... No, we're not going to. That's so bad. I am so sorry. What the actual fuck?
I
was itching.
You have to... Okay, so just like if you're driving a truck, you got to start wide and finish narrow. Exact same thing with these. I don't know how we're going to get those out. I don't think we can. Looking at where the slopes are and stuff, the edges, and yeah, we can't get them out. That's like half our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Yeah, that's half. Or not exactly, but...
Yeah.
Fuck.
Okay. Stop. There's still some here that are still trying to, like, run to the lava.
Yeah, they can't get up, I don't think.
Okay, time. Do not dismount, please, because there are Polovia right here, and for whatever reason, Polovia can knock it back a Theory.
Yeah.
So we're just going to, one by one, guide them back with your UT. Please.
Sure.
And then... turn to your right. Turn to your right. You're right. Right. No, if you turn... Oh, of course he's stuck.
On the Polovia.
Why wouldn't he be stuck? Oh, what? Why? That is so dumb. Stop moving for a second. Come back the other way. Maybe that's why it didn't go through. Like, maybe that's the issue. They landed on top of the Polovia.
Yeah,
and they all sort of bumped off each other. They all sort of just bounced.
Okay, how do we get them out? Because I don't know a way that we can get them out.
A cryo?
What? No, cryos don't work in Tek Cave. But no, how do we get the Polovia out? Because I forgot to make grenades. Oh!
Chris, up here.
Yeah, one's fine.
Ouch.
Yeah, I know. Oh my god.
Okay, so one actually hit my Theory and stunned it, which is amazing. Like, alright, now, one by one. You, follow.
Just get them all down here where I am. Should be safe enough. Except we'll just don't go too far ahead. There's Carnos. And Hellos.
Should we clear the path for him while he, one by one, sorts that out? I think you can safely dismount as well now that there's no Polovia.
To continue. Yep.
Just double checking for any gigas. I don't know where the next one's going to be. That is so strong. Why is that so strong? Sorry?
I reckon I can see Gigatail. Was that a Rex?
That's a Rex. That be a Rex.
Why are the ours glitching? Ours aren't behind us, Axel. Bring it back this way.
They're glitching because of the Polovia. How do the Polovia in the ground act as a natural barrier? Like, that is just... Oh, crap. Don't let it knock you in the lava or anything like that.
Yeah, dismount, then get back on. Don't get it out.
No, don't worry about it. Like, technically speaking, yes, that would work, but it's going to draw Like if they hit even the Theris, for some reason it dismounts, which is super dumb. It's okay. Time, when you arrive at these Polovia, please hang to the far right.
Far right, yes.
Avoid the Polovia mounds. Last thing we need is you getting stuck on them. Ugh.
You don't mean jumping.
From up here. Okay, aggro these and then walk back. Aggro these and walk back.
One's coming in.
Okay, walking back. Walking back. For some reason.
Not moving.
Okay, so there's nothing here. Just a second, I'm going to quickly jump off and just shoot them. Alright, I'll go into this side.
Yeah, I was trying to get around. Jesus. Cool.
How you going, time?
I'm getting there.
Well, at least we know for next time that, what are they? Oh, more Polovia.
Where's this cave? How are we going?
I've got no idea. Careful about the knockback. Alright, you go first then. Staying to the right hand side. There's probably going to be a Giga somewhere up ahead.
You said keep to the right, did you not?
Stay the hell away from the Polovia mounts, please, time. And then we've left a clear path.
It's a Tek Rex.
What?
Tek Rex down out to our left.
It is a Tek Rex.
Which way am I
yeah, that's
going?
right. The way that's clear. When I say stick to the right, I don't mean stick to the right pathway, I mean stick to the right hand side of the pathway. Could be the right hand side of the left pathway.
So left or are we going right?
What, from here? We're going left.
Is that Tek stuff?
Oh, there it is. Holy crap, only 1 Giga thus far? There's gonna be another one somewhere. There it is. I can see its silhouette already.
For time to come up here? Or help
I'm
get
behind you.
Oh, sweet.
We are in trouble back here.
They're coming up.
There is a Rex eating the back end of my train.
As long as it's not pushing them in. If it's not pushing them in, we can recover. How many do we have left?
Hey, Amanda.
1, 2,
You're 4 plus, I think
1,
it's...
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, plus 4, 15. Okay, that's actually probably enough, to be honest.
With us? Yeah.
And
I'm
don't
hoping
forget,
so, too.
you've got a U-Tyrannus.
Yes.
They're pretty useful. Alright, come on, Rexy.
Next to the
Wow.
We need to come up with a game plan for that. Giga.
Axel, where's your buddy?
I'm not sure, actually. I can't see any damage numbers.
So we could just glitched on something.
Oh, there he is. Where's he gone? There you go. Come on, mate. This way. Oddly enough, I'm surprised that we didn't die a horrible death to the last Giga. I'm surprised I didn't die a horrible death to the last Giga.
Where are we going? Which way are we going?
Oh! I know how to fix this.
Shotgun it
We
into the
gotta go
water.
down here.
Are you gonna bring it
That's
into
the snow area down there, isn't it?
Yep.
Okay.
Okay, I can easily send that into lava, but we've got to get rid of this shit first. Stay away from the ledge.
Edge.
Try to stay closer to the Okay, let him deal with it because he's going to knock them back, and hopefully they'll come back in.
some more?
I'm actually so nervous for this now. Because of those below
Come
here
back,
acting
come back, come back, come back, come back, come back, come back. Fuck.
So you're gonna stand over this far corner and shoot it.
My tech helmet's gone, I almost died.
So you reckon you can get that Giga into the lava?
Oh, easy. That's not even a question, that's super easy. Way over here.
Tell me when I start coming down.
Don't wait. Yeah, don't come in just yet.
No, definitely don't come down. I've got a plan.
Okay.
We've got 24 minutes to make it right there. We're fine. We're good. In fact,
Is it
we're
right
better.
there or is it all the way through?
What? No, bruv. Trust me. Trust.
Okay, I trust.
Oh shit! Don't trust. Don't trust. Don't trust. Don't trust.
Don't trust?
Don't. Frisky. Frisky. Bloody hell! Oh my god! I forgot they were there because I don't have my thingy anymore. Just as I say that too, I'm so glad that I got that on camera. That's amazing. How badly damaged is my armor? Yep, screwed.
My spare armor.
I just need legs. Did I not take legs? I mustn't have taken
No,
legs.
you didn't, because there's a second set on my UD here.
I've got a set of legs on my UD right now, if you want them.
On your Yeti.
Oh, sorry, my Theris. Take them if you wish.
Thank you. They're the only thing that's really close to... Oh no, my flak chest piece is almost close to death.
Yep. Take the spare one then.
No, I've got that too. I've got that. That I do have.
Alright.
So this, I'm just going to quickly lower these towards us, because everything else is going to go in the lava. Let it come to us. It's imperative we stay the hell away from the edge, because, well, everything's just got so much knockback. Alright. Sweet as. So now
Has
we're
someone
going to...
got a canteen?
I've
with some water in it?
I've got a little bit of water in mine. Did you not
Okay.
bring a canteen?
I brought a canteen and it ended up being used because I was running around at the front or walking around at the top of the cave, getting everything in line.
I've got two on me if you need another one.
If I could. Is there Pelogia anywhere?
Just
Nah,
wait.
they got me.
Alright.
Hold on, I can put it on my Theris and you can just transfer tool.
I don't have a transfer tool. Can you transfer tool it to my UD?
I don't know, get off the Theris to do that. Ooh, well, we can do it later, unless you're dying.
I'm not severely dying and I've got stupid amounts of med brews, so I'll be fine.
That's torpidity as well. Okay. Come on, Giga, let's see if this works. If not, well, us four killed the last Giga, so...
Or you could grapple to the roof.
Grapples don't work, and I don't have a grapple bow.
Oh. Ooh, here we go, here we go, here we go. Yeah. I'd wait for it to die because it could probably walk out the bottom side.
You know what? You're probably right.
Plus,
I can't see because I don't have my tech helmet anymore.
Plus, our guys would probably aggro on it.
I can hear it dying. It'll probably lose aggro before it dies. I want to go back up to time now that... Oh, you stay down here, Frisky, just so things don't spawn back in. I want to go back up to time to give him this canteen. Time, do you have a tech helmet?
Yeah.
Is there anything around us?
There's no Palovia bumps, no.
Take that.
Where did that get added to? There, beautiful. Thank you.
Oh,
Alright.
I swear to God, Theory.
Oh, Christ. Oh, Christ.
If that was a Rex, we'd have been done for.
Yeah, 100%.
Alright, so
yeah.
Easy does it with your Yudi. Your Yudi's actually a lot faster than the Theris.
How's our Giga going down there?
I've got no idea. Although there is a way to find out.
The guy doesn't aggro onto it though.
I can hear it. I don't believe... No, I don't think it's still aggroed on us. I'm using K mode, I can see its tail. It's not moving in any direction. It's just doing its regular back and forth, as well as getting damaged.
Stop bouncing.
Okay, you just need to turn this corner a little bit harder, because you don't want to... Yeah, start wide, finish narrow. Stop, let them all just take their own pace. Actually, this could be a good idea. Nope, that's not a good idea.
My passive for now, and just in case it aggroes onto the Giga.
Don't forget about your health, guys, because it's 60 degrees here at the moment. I've got a ghillie chest piece on at the moment, and I'm fucking sweltering.
Got a small flame.
I've got the big flame, but I'm keeping an eye on my health.
I'm overheating.
Oh, Jesus.
Fucking Theris.
Alright, starting wide, that's it. Stay to the edge, stay to the edge. Okay, I'm going to slowly inch my way over to the entrance, because people have reported that Gigas just decide to spawn in. Right here at the end, just as they're about to go in.
Yeah.
Yeah, like when they hit the thing, they go, ooh, come time to go.
18 minutes. We can do this.
Just
We
be
can
careful
do
that
this.
you get to turn around and run towards you, Axel, because it's shallow down there.
That's what I'm sort of contemplating. If it was going to run towards us, I think it would have been trying to run around the edge the entire time.
What's its health on?
The hell was that?
Me.
Its health is on 40k. Slowly dropping.
Oh, you scared me for a minute there, Frisk. I just see these Theris running and I'm like, oh crap. Alright. Here we go.
We've done it. There's no more Giga here. It was only the 2 Gigas. That's amazing. Time, keep going straight ahead. Do not turn left.
Yes, I'm going straight. When do I start turning?
Slowly inch, like stay to the very far right hand side as far as you can. That's it. That's it. You keep going, Frisk. Perfect. That's it. Come on, Theris. Go, you good thing.
Is this where the notes are in here?
No. Notes. You'll know. It's the Hall of Fame.
Yeah.
Alright, now
Alrighty.
it's super cold in here, but, you know, nothing that we can't handle. Otters and flak for the win. Speaking of which. Whew, okay.
Yeah, I probably put it all on.
Oh my god, I can't believe we lost half our army because of Palovias.
And my bad for not noticing them because I really didn't see it. I didn't see them. I had changed my tech helmet out.
Actually, nah, you've lost one time.
Really?
Just a second. He might be. Hey, that's a good boy.
Good.
Yeah, she ran away around. So I'll stay at the rear now.
What's this thing? Red. Going up into this now.
Yep.
Well, now that we don't have as many Theris, we can probably get all the Theris onto the platform in one big go. And now it's no longer a case of everything following everything else, so...
That means I can just do this.
Just manually bring them in.
Yeah, I'm just trying to get them to stop, that's all.
Yeah, try not to... I just made the mistake of sprinting. Don't sprint, because we obviously have limited water and whatnot.
I've got a second canteen if you guys need it.
Turns out I brought a second canteen. I did not know that. Oh, and if you come across any Theris that are like full of crap, just yeah, drop all on them. Oh, those saddles.
You can eat some berries out of the Theris, Tom.
Pardon?
I see some of the berries out of the Theris.
The berries don't do anything for them.
No, I'm saying you could eat them. You get a bit of juice.
Oh, yeah.
Maybe. Oh, that was awesome. Alright.
That was horrendous. That was absolutely horrible.
Hey, good for a first time. Alright, I'm going to stop the recording here, and then I'll start it again once we enter Overseer Arena.
Sounds good. Sounds good.